Hey guys, it's Ina. I'm still in Sweden, and today we'll show you some bits of my Christmas preparations. Christmas tree is one of the biggest elements of the Christmas holidays. Unfortunately, trimming branches and cutting down trees is prohibited in Sweden. Hence, I have the plastic tree, but you can always collect fallen twigs. I don't have a beautiful vase, but an ordinary glass will do for me. You just need to wrap it with some hemp rope or threads and tie a ribbon. That's it. Well, since I have all of the ribbons ready, I can start wrapping the gifts. Actually, it's the right time to brag a little bit. This year I have published a few books on Amazon, and this one is called Mushrooms, Poems and Facts. This book describes 35 different mushroom species. You can order this little beauty from Amazon in both hardcover or paperback, or buy it also in electronic form. I will leave a link in the description. Sweden is quite expensive country, but some things you might get for free. For example, you can get wrapping paper for free from almost any supermarket. Usually you need to pack things on site, but no one really checks. I still have some wooden ornaments from my failed last year startup, so I'm going to use them too. In the meantime, it's time to prepare a traditional Christmas dish, Christmas ham. It is usually sold here already cooked, but the Swedes still roast it, so will we. Ham is actually cheaper than regular meat, and it's about 60 to 80 kronas per kilogram, so it's like $6 to $8. First, let's mix the spread. We'll need to mix well 2 eggs, Dijon mustard, yellow mustard and honey. Then we remove the skin from our ham, cut into the fat and sprinkle a little bit of starch. Then we can finally glaze it with all of the mixture. At the end, we can sprinkle some breadcrumbs on top, not too much, and it's ready to go to the preheated oven to 170 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. Remember, the ham is already cooked. So this is how delicious the end result is. While the oven is hot, you can bake a simple carrot cake. Mix 4 eggs, 300 grams of sugar, 200 grams of flour, 300 grams of carrots and nuts and raisins for your taste. Pour everything into a pan and bake for 40 minutes. Sprinkle powdered sugar on top and it's ready. Now it's time for me to start working on the bottles. I have a lot of homemade cherry mulled wine, but no beautiful bottles for it. So I'll just use old wine bottles, and luckily I have some paints for glass and ceramics that I bought on Amazon a while ago, so finally I can apply them. It's about 4 p.m. and we start thinking about the dinner. So today we're going to IKEA. It has already become a new tradition to eat at IKEA around Christmas. And of course, I took traditional meatballs with mashed potatoes, green peas and lingonberry jam. And for dessert, it's tea and a dime cake. I never drink coffee. Later on, we went shopping and finally found our favorite cups or mugs. How do you call them? Please let me know in the comments. Then I popped into H&M and grabbed the last set of flannel pajamas. To my surprise, it was only half price and I paid 200 kronas. It's like $20. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and write comments below. I will be very interested to know how you prepare for the winter holidays. See you again. Bye bye.